Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you exactly how to scan a Telegram QR code using your Android device. Whether you are trying to log in to your Telegram account on a new device or you are joining a group using a QR code, this tutorial will walk you through each step clearly and simply. So, let's get started. First, make sure your Telegram app is updated to the latest version. You can update it from the Google Play Store if needed. Now, go ahead and open the Telegram app on your phone. From the main screen, you should see the list of your recent chats and contacts. Now, look at the top left corner of your screen. You will see three horizontal lines. This is the menu button. Tap on it to open the sidebar menu. From the sidebar, scroll down and tap on Settings. This will open your profile and various customization options. Inside the settings page, scroll down and tap on Devices. Now, you can click Link Desktop Device. If this your first time using the QR scanner in Telegram, the app might ask for camera access. Tap Allow to give permissions. This is necessary so Telegram can use your camera to scan QR codes. Now, your camera is ready to scan. Simply point it at the Telegram QR code you want to scan. Make sure the code fits well within the scanning frame and is clearly visible. Within a second or two, Telegram will automatically recognize the QR code and take action. Whether that's logging into your account, opening a group invite, or adding a contact. And that's it. You've successfully scanned a QR code on Telegram using your Android phone. It's fast, easy, and incredibly convenient, especially for logging in or joining groups quickly. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech tutorials like this one. Got any questions or run into issues? Drop a comment below. We are happy to help. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.